Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the screen auto lock time on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Display and Brightness. Next, go down and tap on Auto Lock. In the list here, you can choose 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or never. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to your home screen. So if we have chosen 30 seconds, if you leave your screen idle for 30 seconds or for your selected times, the phone will then automatically lock itself out. So we just want to leave it here and test it out. So you can see the phone will start to dim out. So it's still unlocked, but it's just simply dim out, as you can see. And if after a few more seconds, then it will lock itself. Okay, the phone is now dimming. It's still there. You still can get back into your phone. And then after 5 more seconds, it will lock itself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.